Morning everyone, hope you're all okay. Hope you had a nice weekend and you're all still safe and healthy. Right, I'm coming on to show you a few bits and bobs that I've been messing about with. But first of all, I just want to show you that Mr. Doodle chose yay for the flowers, and I'm so pleased that he did. When I showed this the other week and asked you excuse me, asked you whether you thought I should put them on or not, I said, oh, I'll let Mr. Doodle have the final say, and I kept putting them on and thinking, well, if he says no, and I thought he would say no, less is more. And I thought, oh, well, if he does, I think I'm going to put them on anyway, because I think it's just finished it off. So thank you for everyone that's said yay or nay on that. Most of you said yes. And I'll leave the link to that, where I made it, for anybody that might want to see it that hasn't. So that's that out of the way. Right, I've got loads of these punched circles that I've had forever. I like to keep them, you know, like I punch them out of different packaging and that. I like to have circles for, I used to use them a lot if I made fabric flowers, just to put flowers on, or, well, all sorts of things really. So I've got loads of those. Loads. Oops, there they are. There really is loads. Look, because I've just dropped the bag full. These ones are they were from Cake Box. I mean, how can you can't throw a cake box away like that, can you? It's chocolate box, all sorts of bits and bobs. Oh, these pieces here were from, well, that one's just painty paper. They're painty paper, and these pieces were from when I'd made a hand of friendship long time ago, or a couple of years at least, and I've got some left, and I thought, oh well, I'll just cut some circles out, I'll use those one day. Anyway, so what I did, I've only done a few. I've just made some little round inches, and I don't know whether this is a word or not, whether anybody else has used this word. You probably say, oh yeah, that's been around for years, but round and inchy makes Rinchie, doesn't it? So they're Rinchies to me. I don't think I've seen anybody call them, well, I don't think I've seen round inches before. I've seen the coins. I'm sure loads of people have done them, but excuse me croaking. I've not been up long, so I've got my morning croak on. Not my cloak, my croak. That is my least favourite because you can't really tell what it is. Oh, it's a little birdie and a flower, and a little number and a bit of bling. This one, that's just on one of the purple cards that I've just shown you from the Cake Box. Didn't do anything else to it other than stamp a little white birdie on, and then put hold on, because it's holding on to the branch because it's windy. That one, that was just a flower stamp with the white. Just did I use? I just used a cheap Hobbycraft white ink pad, and then this is Cosmic Shimmer white embossing powder. I got that, oh, last year. There was 3 in a packet, and I can't remember whether they were on offer or not, but they wouldn't have been very expensive, otherwise I wouldn't have bought them. And for the black ink that I used, I've used this. I love Duff Crafts ink. It's lasts for ages. It's ever so good. And then that stamp, I can't show you the birdie stamp, but that's this stamp. I have no idea where it came from because I don't keep the packs. So this is a black the little blackbird. True friend, just on the yellow. I think the yellow cake boxes, I can't remember what shop they came from. I think they were egg custards. Mr. Doodle likes egg custards. And the purple ones were chocolate eclairs. They used to be my favourite when I'd had my head of gluttony on. And I used to buy a box of there's like 4 or 5 eclairs in it, and this is how greedy I used to be. And I would eat the whole box full, not just one. And these are cakes for international people that don't know what chocolate eclairs are. I don't know whether you get them overseas, but they're choux pastry. And I would eat the whole packet. How greedy is that? Extremely greedy. Can't believe that I'm telling you, but I don't eat those now. Well, I would, you know, I would probably have one every now and again, but just no, I don't. Anyway, that's Dream. And I just went in the flower with my mermaid markers, watercolour markers. This isn't a very good one. That's on painted paper. Just says love it. I've got so many stamps that so I used to buy the card magazines and used to get free stamps, and then we used to go to a craft shop that used to sell them like ridiculously dirt cheap. And you just have to have them, don't you? Again, I went on that. I quite like these. I might do some more of these with the flower on. That one. And then a little butterfly. So that's my little Rinchies. I was just going to say something then. Oh, the words, those little words. Yeah, I can't show you them because I've taken, but they were the, oh no, they're here. There's no pack. I can't think what they're called. They're the Tim Holtz, oh, it's not Chit Chat, what are they called? Is it quotes? No, not quotes. No packaging. Anyway, they're these ones. They've got all different ones on. I really like those. Oh, clip-ins, that's it. Clip-ins, clip-in stickers they're called. Right, that's those. And then I've obviously still got loads of circles. I don't know whether I'll be doing any more today. I do not know. I was just messing about, and yeah. So I just put 5 to make a flower shape, and then another one on top, stuck them on another little circle underneath. And I was just going to leave them like that and probably put them in one of my journals or something, which I still might do with some other ones. And then I got to thinking, what else could I do? And I've got loads of the coffee sticks that we all collect along the way, don't we? Because lots of places don't provide proper spoons. You just get coffee sticks, and it would just be rude to throw them away. So I've just wound and glued some. This fuzzy yarn is what my lovely friend Linda Pierce sent me. I love it, it's gorgeous. And then I just put another cutter circle with my die cutter on the back, and then stuck some more yarn on. Yeah, I don't know whether they need anything else. I kind of think they do, but I don't know what. Anyway, just little mini fans. I don't know. Bottom smackers. Naughty, naughty, naughty. That's those. Oh, I think that's about it. Oh, I'm still cutting out, punching out my squares. of all sorts of tea box, tea bag packaging, and all sorts of packaging, covers off of a book, and painted papers. There's bits of music paper that have been stuck on card, even the barcodes, and just getting a nice collection of those. Last night I sat and stuck a load down. It's just on a postcard actually. Just random, don't sit and think about, oh yes, this one will go with that. No, that won't. No, just pick it out, stick it on. And then I decided to go all round it with black. I don't know what else I'm going to do with that. Then I've got these little hearts. I'll show you these, look. You know, I've been doing the flowers from the adult book pages. Oh, I've just noticed my camera's the wrong blooming orientation. Damn it, I'm going to have to go on to iMovie and turn it round. Never mind, it just takes more time to do it. Yeah, adult book pages that I've been making loads of flowers with and borders with, and I've started to do some hearts just because it was something different and I wanted to. What else can I do? I do some hearts. And then I've got loads of bits of paper left, and I've just stuck some on a oops, my fan's alive. Stuck some on a postcard, well, a piece of card that needs sticking onto more card, and I don't know what else I will do with that. And that is that. Oh no, I've shown you these two. That's, yeah, sure, I showed you those the other day. They're just on the side there. Come what may, adventure awaits. Yes, that is all, my lovely YouTube friends. So I will love and leave you and say have a good week, stay well, and I will speak to you soon. And oh, another thing, I've not got it out now. I was going to do something with, I've got a stamp that has, oh damn it, I meant to get that out. It's got keep calm and craft on. So keep calm, people, and craft on. I know it may be hard, but oh, it's something we've got to do, isn't it? So just got to get on with it, stay positive, keep calm, craft on, and I might be doing some projects with that stamp at some point, if I can ever find it again. I'm sure I took it out. My desk, honestly, it's such a tip at the minute. But never mind. Thanks for watching. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.